to discuss about what is market cap. So if suppose if you want to analyze a company fundamentally, then you need to know some terms and some definitions, some formulas, so for better analyzing the company. So one of those things is market capital. Market capital is equal to share outstanding into current share price. So what is share outstanding? So to calculate the total number of shares outstanding, then you need to use this formula. So you need to calculate the total shares owned by public, promoters and investors. So you don't need to calculate these things would be presented at the website of that company, or you can get the information in the official NSE and BSE site, or you can also get the information in financial websites like money control, like that. And then this now we will try to explain that with an example. So example, if suppose if you want to calculate the market capital of ABCD company, then ABCD company market capital equal to total shares outstanding is 10 lakh rupees into current share price is 100. So 10 lakh into 100, the total market capital of that company is 10 crore rupees. So this is the way by which we can calculate the market capital of a company. There might be some other ways also. So I am explaining about the one way which is most widely used by the people. And then based on this market capital, you can classify the stocks into various categories. So various categories are large cap, mid cap and small cap. So what is a large cap? If suppose a large cap means the market capital should be above 10,000 crores. If you have market cap, if your company has market capital more than 10,000 crores, then your company will be treated as large capital. If your company has capital between 500 to 10,000 crores, then that would be treated as mid cap. If your company has less than 5,500 crores, then your company would be treated as small cap. So based on these categories, many people would decide the best stock based on the categories. They will also analyze other fundamentals like profit per earning ratio, profit per cost, like that. We will try to cover those things in the upcoming videos. For now, just consider this is the way by which we can calculate the market capital of a company, and then these are the three categories of a market capital. If suppose if you want to open an account in Zerodha, you can use my referral link that would be present at the description box of the video. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, comment